Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CHF US dollar Swiss franc, and as you can see I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite time frame and the most beloved time frame in the Forex world. So if we just look at the chart, okay, we can easily see that market is in downtrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, and as I'll always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to other markets like sideways market or range bound market. So the market is in downtrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, and if I switch to the weekly time frame, okay, then in the weekly time frame also we can see that market is in downtrend since April. Okay, for since April market is in downtrend and the selling pressure is still very high in the market. Previous week market struggled to go up, market failed, market formed a doji with great price rejection from above, and this week we can see that market has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Generally, spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that there is an indecision in the market, means that bulls and bears are in the same have the same strength. Okay, they have the same strength, and we cannot decide whether bulls will win or whether the bears will win. Okay, we do not know. This is the picture from the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame has given us a confusing picture. But if we look at the 4 hours time frame, then there's no doubt about the downtrend of the market. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value before any trade. So if the market is in downtrend or for uptrend markets, the area of value is always near the support, and in a downtrend market where we look for shorting opportunities, the area of value is always near the resistance. Okay, area of value is very much important to match the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so in this case we can see that 50 moving average is a valid resistance. See here, here, here. So you can see that whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average. It was pushing the price downward, and it was a clear trade. Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you have already short the market twice, okay, in 2 occasions, and you are in a good profit right now because I told to short the market when market was about to hit the 50 moving average. So if you are in profit right now, enjoy the profit. And if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait, my dear friend. Because see, because you'll have to wait for the perfect trade setup. Right now you can see that market has come down. Okay, market has come down after hitting the 50 moving average. So this is not the place for you to short the market. If you have already short the market watching my previous videos, then well and good. Otherwise you'll have to wait for the market to go up. Okay, and you can see that market is also following a trend line, okay, on the upside. So right now we have got two resistances here, 50 moving average as well as this trend line. Okay, in the 4 hours time frame, you please draw this trend line as well. Okay, so when market will be going up again, okay, when market will be going up again and will hit the trend line or the 50 moving average, just observe the price. If you see that uh, price is being rejected from above, okay, price is struggling near the resistance, then you can short the market at the trend line. But do remember one thing, market is heavily oversold. Okay, market is heavily oversold because market is coming down, okay, for more than 1 month. Okay, therefore there is a possibility that market may cross this trend line. Okay, therefore if you short the market also, do not expect huge profit. Okay, you can expect some quick profit, but be very careful because market, you can just see, okay, market has come down a long way. Market has already come down a long way, so there is a possibility that there will be a retracement or there will be a pullback. Therefore be careful. Okay, and as of now the only trading opportunity is when market will be going up again, hit the resistance 50 MA or this trend line. If market reverses, then only you should go for sell order. Otherwise, no buy calls for USD CHF as of now. And this is the only resistance market is following. Therefore, wait for it to when market is going up, reverse from there. You'll have to short. I'm repeating the same sentence again and again. Okay, but still be very careful because market is quite oversold. Okay. So this is the simple strategy that you need to follow for USD CHF. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist. Thank you so much.